In this video, I'll show you how to update Smart Hub on LG TV. Step 1. Open TV settings. Press the settings button on your LG remote. Navigate to all settings for advanced options. Step 2. Locate system update. Go to the general menu. Select about this TV or software update depending on your model. Step 3. Check and install updates. Click Check for updates. If an update is available, select Download and install. Now wait for the update to complete. The TV may restart. Step 4. Update apps. This is optional. Open the LG Content Store from the home screen. Go to My Apps and update individual apps if prompted. And that's how you update your smart hub on LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe, and if you have any questions you can leave them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to help you out. Bye.